John chapter 15 verse 7. If you remain in me and my words remain in you, ask whatever you wish and it will be done for you. I would like to sincerely thank everyone who has helped me along my journey towards the right path. I am most thankful to God for His guidance in my studies and for His everyday protection. I am also thankful to my Mama Joanna and my Papa Joseph for their genuine love and support in all my dreams and endeavors. Thank you, Mom and Papa, for sending me to Victorious Christian Academy. Thank you to all my teachers and our class advisor for the patience to guide us towards the right path. Thank you to my friends, my batchmates. We have been there for each other through significant moments in our elementary life. I will treasure you all forever. Congratulations, everyone, and God bless PCA.
May we request the parents of